this video, I'm going to show you the simplest way to stake your Solana tokens so that you can earn a yield. Instead of just holding regular Solana, you can hold staked Solana from Jito, and you will be earning approximately 6.71% per year on that staked Solana. And in addition to the staking yield, it's actually also possible that Jito will release a token via some sort of airdrop in the future. So by staking Solana with them, not only will you be earning the staking yield, but you might also qualify for a future airdrop. So how do you do it? Well, it's very simple. You can just go to the Jito website, and if you have a Solana wallet, so I'm using Phantom right now with a little bit of Solana in it, then you can just connect your wallet to the Jito site and you'll be able to stake your SOL tokens directly right here. So you can choose how much you want to stake. So let's say I want to stake 0.25 SOL tokens, and the application will show you how much staked SOL you get back from that. So you can see that 0.25 SOL tokens turns into 0.2335 staked SOL, because over time, the value of the staked SOL tokens goes up. So let's say a year from now, I'll be able to buy even less than 0.2335 for the same amount of SOL. Anyways, the next step is simple. You just hit on the deposit SOL button and it's gonna pop up in your Phantom wallet asking you to confirm the transaction. There will be a very, very small network fee. It's just a fraction of a penny. So you hit confirm in your wallet. And now if I open up my Phantom wallet, you can see I have even more Jito staked SOL. Now this is not the only way that you can stake your Solana tokens. You can actually swap into the staked SOL tokens from your Phantom wallet or from the Jupiter exchange or Orca or any other Solana DeFi protocol. But all you do is select which token you want to swap to and from, and then you could select, let's say 0.1 SOL to Jito SOL, hit review order, and then confirm the swap directly in your wallet. So you don't actually even have to go to the Jito website to do this, although it's possible that if you stake directly through Jito, you will increase your airdrop potential if that is something that happens in the future. Now, if you wanted to unstake your Solana tokens, it's very simple. You just reverse the process. So if you're swapping out of it, you can just select the token that you want to swap from and to, and then you'll be able to do that directly in your wallet. Or you can hit on the unstake button on the Jito website and select how much you want to unstake. So if I want to unstake 0.1, then I can confirm this right here. And you can see that there's two options. You can unstake immediately by swapping out of the token via the Jupiter decentralized exchange, or you can wait 2 days to unstake directly through the Jito app, and there's going to be a 0.1% unstake fee, although there is potentially slippage and price deviation from swapping, and the price impact on both of these is saying that it will be pretty much the same. But let's say that I wanted to unstake immediately via Jupiter, I would just hit on the unstake SOL button here, and again confirm the transaction in my wallet, paying a tiny fraction of a penny for the transaction fee. And that's it. My Solana tokens are unstaked. So if I go back into the wallet, you can see I have 0.74 Jito staked SOL now. So yeah, that's basically it. As you hold this token over time, it will increase in value because the staking rewards 6.7% APY automatically accrue to it. And that is the simplest and easiest, quickest way that you can stake your Solana tokens. Good luck.